Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Joe SWJ803E. Make sure to watch until the end of this video to know our final verdict on whether this pole chainsaw is worth it. Joe Overview. You can keep your property looking beautiful during different seasons by investing in an electric pole saw. This tool can help you trim overgrown trees in your yard. Joe is a versatile electric tool that can cut through thin logs and overhanging limbs. It comes with a telescopic pole designed to extend to 8 feet. This feature also enables the tool to offer an overhead reach of up to 14 feet. The telescoping pole also has a comfortable foam grip. This Joe model comes with an 8-amp motor and can cut branches with a maximum thickness of 9.5 inches. It's equipped with a multi-head angle that can adjust from 0 to 30 degrees. It also comes with a 10-inch bar and has an auto oiler that lubricates it during cutting. The manufacturer accompanies your purchase with a 2-year warranty. What we liked: it's easy to assemble, works quietly, offers extended reach, long-term warranty. It can even cut thick branches. What we didn't like: lubrication issues. It does not come with chainsaw oil. Joe specifications. From the above table, you can tell that this chainsaw does not need frequent refills based on its oil tank capacity. Some users find it a bit heavy when cutting branches for a long time. This pole saw needs a bit more effort to maneuver. Features: power. This electric pole chainsaw is electrically powered. It's a powerful tool that's equipped with an 8-amp motor. The model can easily cut even thick branches of about 9 inches. Since the electric chainsaw operates quietly, it can help you work in your yard without drawing unnecessary attention. Unlike using other types of pole chainsaws, this does not subject you to fumes or smoke. Though this electric tool comes with a long cord, this can be a bit challenging to store. Many homeowners appreciate the presence of a safety switch that prevents accidental startup. MultiAngle head. This piece of equipment also has an adjustable multi-angle. It can cut branches of any angle ranging from 0 to 30 degrees to prevent you from straining. Telescoping pole. The telescoping pole can extend from 5 feet to 8 feet. You can also rely on this pole chainsaw to work on tall trees, since it can deliver an overhead reach of up to 14 feet. To use it, ensure you stand on solid ground, then adjust it based on the height of the branches. You'll also notice the foam grip available on the telescoping pole, which enhances comfort during use. Bar. The chainsaw also comes with a chain and 10-inch Oregon cutting bar. The manufacturer also includes a plastic blade cover in the package to promote safe storage. It also features an auto oiler that can lubricate the chain and bar. Though this model doesn't come with chainsaw oil, you can always purchase some at a hardware store for proper maintenance. Make sure that you store this electric chainsaw on a level surface to prevent oil leakage. Verdict: so should you get the Joe SWJ803E pole chainsaw? Yes, this is worth investing in, since it is electric-powered, comfortable to use, and can cut through thick branches. It offers extended overhead reach. It's quite powerful and works quietly. Since the pole saw also comes with a 2-year warranty, it can give you value for your money. Who is it best suited for? This is suitable for seasonal residential use. You can use it to maintain your trees on a small or medium-sized property. Homeowners with larger yards should look for a more advanced model. Are there alternatives? Yes. Some of the alternatives include the Von Haus cordless pole saw and the Works WG309. The Von Haus is also a strong pole saw that prevents accidental startup. However, it differs from the Joe pole saw since it includes a shoulder strap that boosts comfort during use. On the other hand, Works WG309 has an 8-amp motor just like the Joe model, but comes in a lightweight design. Were you impressed with the features of this electric pole chainsaw? Feel free to share in the comments below. Hey, and if you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this.